Hi, welcome back to dptutorials. Today I'm revealing one of the Excel's coolest feature, dynamic Excel slicers. What is a slicer? Imagine your Excel sheet is a pizza and each topping is a filter you want to use. A slicer is like a fancy remote control that lets you click and filter your pivot table or pivot chart instantly. No drop-downs, no headaches. Consider this as a sample data. Step 1. Select your data and insert a pivot table. Step 2. In the pivot table fields list, drag region to the rows and revenue to the values. Step 3. Now the magic. Go to the pivot table, click anywhere inside it. Then head to the ribbon, insert slicer. Step 4. Select product and salesperson as slicer options. Boom! You have got interactive buttons that filter your pivot table instantly. Click on pen in the product slicer and voila, you are now a certified slicer samurai. Want to impress your boss during the next Zoom meeting? Just click a slicer and say, "Watch me filter reality," or use multiple slicers and pretend you are in the Matrix Excel edition. That's it. You have now unlocked the power of dynamic Excel slicers, making your report smarter, faster, and way more interactive. If you learned something new, hit the like button, drop your favorite Excel feature in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to dptutorials where Excel becomes exciting. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.